is hereby recognized.
Mr. Speaker, my distinguished colleagues, magandang hapon po. I rise today not in triumph, nor in anger, nor in pursuit of political advantage. I rise because the Constitution commands us to rise. I stand before this chamber carrying not privilege, but duty. Isang mabigat na tungkulin na ipinagkatiwala sa atin ng saligang batas at ng sambayanang Pilipino. Sa mga pagkakataong gaya nito, sinusubok hindi lamang ang isang opisyal, kundi ang tibay ng ating mga institusyon. Ang katapatan natin sa batas at ang ating kakayanan na unahin ang bayan kaysa sa politika. On behalf of the Committee on Justice, and in faithful compliance with our constitutional mandate, I rise to sponsor Committee Report number 261, together with House Resolution number 989, setting forth the articles of impeachment against the Vice President of the Republic.